Explain it. What we spoke yesterday, so I was medayik. Number one, we come up in the factory, they're making the oil, even if they're making it for the Kohen Gadol, but if the Kohen Moshe, let's say the OU is making something kosher, and they're making it for me. So what will be on it? My stamp or the Kohen Gadol, or no, the factory, the OU stamp? When they bring it to me, and I see that it has the OU stamp, so that's good. So I know I can rely on it. The question is, we come these two things together, that there should be a bottle with the seal of the Kohen Gadol. So I said that the Lashon in the Gemara, and the Lashon that he copies in the Shulchan Aruch, is you have to be medayik the Lashon. You're saying over there, they found Pach Echosh Hashem, Shoya Munach, it was laying with the Chasama Shekohen Gadol. V'choyre, it should have said, the way you're saying, it should have said, Shoya Chosum B'Chasama Shekohen Gadol. It was sealed with the seal of the Kohen Gadol. You still have a kasha, how come the Kohen Gadol, even, what's his seal doing there? You need the OU over there, not his seal. But I said that because it says Hoya Munach, it was laying with the chaysim of the Kohen Gadol. So I'm saying that there were two items. They found a Pach Shaman, and there was the ring that the Kohen Gadol used as a chaysim. They found that ring was laying there with that bottle. So from this they were able to figure out that the Goyim didn't get it. That's one pshat. Now, there's another pshat entirely. I'll tell you where your pshat comes in. There is a question that we're going to go into Shulchan Aruch today. If we get to it, we're going to go into Shulchan Aruch, that there's different levels of lighting candles. There's one level to light candles, to light every night one candle. You don't need a menorah with 8 candles. You need a single menorah that holds one candle, like let's say if you have a holder by Havdalah. Yeah. You have a holder by Havdalah that holds a candle in it. So there's one opinion that holds that ne ishu beisa means to say that one candle is for ish u beisa, for the whole family. Then there's another opinion that holds that's normal, that's regular. Then there's Mahadrim. You give a shot is what it means, but many types of Mahadrim means that every member in the family, every night, lights one candle. So, let's say if you have 10 children, so the first night, everyone lit one candle, so you have 10 candles. The second night again, every night, Then there's a Machodesh Mahadrim Mina Mahadrim. What's the Mahadrim Mina Mahadrim? That in the household, everyone in the household lights not one candle. They're going up in number every way. And some say that Hanukkah is the Rosh Tevis. Ches Neides, v'halocha kibesavol. That's not. You have to be moist about it. How do we fear Zechopayel?
Hanukkah is Ches Neides.
V'halocha. Hanukkah is Ches Nun Vav Chav Hey. So Ches Neides v'halocha kibesavol. That's one shot. How do we fear Zechopayel? That in every household where they light Hanukkah candles, where they don't light, we're not talking about. But in every household that they light Hanukkah candles, everybody lights, and everybody goes Mahadrim and Mahadrim, that every night they add a candle. First Frage, why by Hanukkah is everybody Mahadrim and Mahadrim? Comes Pesach, which is a deraisa, Matzah b'Pesach deraisa. Does everybody take Shmura Matzah for whole Pesach? Does everybody even take Shmura Matzah for the Zdarim? There are people, that ever made it so popular that, people say, there's people that I send, there's people he sends, it gets around. But could you say that everybody makes a Seder? We're not talking about people that don't make a Seder, but everyone who makes a Seder doesn't use Shmura Moshe. Comes a Moshe, let's say, other things, tzitzis. Does everybody wear a vol in the talis cotton? That's Amo al Amo. A lot of Jews even that they make zdorim, and they have Hanukkah candles, and they don't wear tzitzis. So over here, something is strange. Everybody's a Mahadam and a Mahadam. How you talking? So to answer this, one of the answers the following way. Yeah, last night we spoke about the inyan of why there's 8 days of Hanukkah. That they found oil, and the oil was sufficient for one night. So the first night there's no nest. There's a lot of terutzim to the kasha.
The nest was, they found it.
Some say the nest is the finding. Some, there's a lot of terutzim. I'm not going to go into this kasha now. Some want to say that when in the Gemara, when it says that they found pach echad shel shemen, munap of a summer shel kohen gadol, listen to the next words. In the Gemara it says it was enough for one night, right? So there's a sefer called Shiltas Rabachai, from the Tanoim that they made for him. And in his sefer state, v'lahoye boy afilu laila achas. It was only 3/4. The bottle was only 3/4 full. And B'mel kum t'choy is that the first night it lasted the whole night.
So already was a
Kum
miracle.
t'choy is that the
First night was also a miracle.
the first night there was a mamash anas. There was a factory or a department that made oil. Why would they make a bottle of oil? They know that the oil is for the menorah.
And they know it has a certain amount.
And they know the menorah needs a certain amount. So why would they make a bottle of oil not the amount that you need? Is it that they ran out of oil? That was the last bottle that they made and they ran out of oil? Doesn't seem so. It's a strange thing. Why would they make? So some want to say a teretz that besides needing oil in the Beis HaMikdash, there was also oil that was needed for menachos. When you made a kol mincha, you had to make the flour with oil. Sometimes you added water also, but you had oil so you need oil for menachos. The kohen gadol has to make a kol mincha every day. It's called chavite kohen gadol. What's the text chavite kohen gadol? That every day he makes takes flour, and he makes a mincha out of it, and half of it they're makriv in the morning, and half in the afternoon, and that's called chavite kohen gadol. Verstehst du? Just like every mincha needs oil, so this also needs oil.
He went to take some from there.
Okay. Now, how much oil in the Beis HaMikdash, the menorah, was 7 candles. We make 8, but in the Beis HaMikdash it was 7 candles. How much oil do you need for the menorah?
It says how much?
Huh?
Yeah.
So state that the Emma says you should say it depends if it's summer or winter. Marshall, let's say when we light the menorah in the winter, okay, and the winter night starts 5 o'clock, and it goes till the next day till 7 o'clock, so you need a lot of oil. Then the marshal in the summer, when night starts 8 o'clock or 8:30, and the morning starts earlier, you need less oil. So the Chachamim said, no, we're not going to make different bottles of oil, one for winter, one for summer. No, we're going to make standard. every night we're going to prepare a bottle of oil for the maximum. The menorah, the oil, the 7 oil, each one took a chotzi lug. Okay? Now, if you have 7 halves, how much is 7 halves?
3.5.
3.5. So a bottle of oil for the menorah, for the menorah was 7.5.
3.5.
Was 3.5 lug of oil, and all were made that way. How much oil do the kohen need for his mincha? So state that he needed lugu machzor b'bayka and lugu machzor b'erev. How much is that together? 1.5 times 2? It's 3, right? Okay, 1 minute. Just one. Hello?
Yeah, hi, how are you?
Yeah,